On 9th of August, the body of a 31-year-old trainee doctor was found in a seminar hall at state government-run Arjikar Medical College in Kolkata. The post-mortem report revealed that she had been brutally raped and murdered. The autopsy showed severe injuries including broken thyroid cartilage from strangulation, deep wound in her private parts indicating sexual assault, multiple injuries on her belly, mouth, fingers, shoulders and left leg, scratches on her face and glass into her eyes from the shattered lenses of her spectacles. The report concluded that the homicidal injuries were ante-mortem, meaning she was raped and assaulted before being strangled to death. The reports suggested that the incident likely took place between 3 am and 5 am on 9th of August. A 33-year-old civic volunteer named Sanjoy Roy was arrested on 10th of August in connection with the case and sent to 14-day police custody. The Kolkata High Court ordered the probe to be transferred to the CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, citing quote-unquote serious lapses by the hospital administration. The court bench said, quote, "The parents of the victim have an apprehension that if the investigation is allowed to continue in this manner, it will derail. Therefore, they pray for extraordinary relief. One more disturbing aspect is that a case of natural death was registered. It is submitted that such cases are registered when there is no complaint. When the deceased was a doctor in the same hospital, it is surprising why the principal did not lodge a complaint." Unquote. The court also directed the former principal of Arjikar Medical College, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, to go on long leave. Notably, the principal resigned, claiming quote-unquote moral responsibility. Within hours of his resignation, he was appointed to another college. Taking note of this fact, the court said, "No man is above law, and how did he step down and then be rewarded with another responsibility?" CBI has already taken documents from the police following the High Court order. According to the laid down procedure, CBI has already re-registered the FIR of the Kolkata police as its own case. Meanwhile, the West Bengal Doctors Forum wrote to CBI on Tuesday alleging that attempts were being made to tamper with evidence by carrying out construction work near the spot where the body of the female doctor was found. Now, in response to the protests, Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda met with the Federation of Resident Doctors Association on August 12th. He assured them of a safe working environment and said that their demands would be addressed. After the meeting, the association decided to call off their nationwide strike that had led to closures of operation theatres and wards. However, the medics at the central government-run AIMS, the Indira Gandhi Hospital and other resident doctors association said that their protest would continue until a central law is implemented. Medical professionals have voiced serious concerns regarding the hospital's lack of security measures. IMA, Indian Medical Association, in a letter to Health Minister J.P. Nadda demanded that CCTV should be mandatory in vulnerable locations within hospitals to ensure safety. IMA has also called for hospitals to be declared safe zones similar to airports, which have stringent security protocols. IMA has also urged the government to enact a special central law to protect healthcare workers and curb violence against them. They pointed out that while some states have laws regarding attacks on medical personnel, these laws are often ineffective without comprehensive national framework. Hashtag Nirbhaya 2 is trending on Twitter as this incident has drawn parallels to the Nirbhaya case from 2012, which sparked nationwide protests and calls for justice. The incident has ignited discussions across social media, with many users expressing outrage and demanding justice for the victim as well as broader reforms to ensure the safety of women. The Kolkata rape and murder case must shake our conscience, and the tragedy must spark real change to safeguard women and healthcare professionals nationwide.